Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to register for the GSU STEAM Camp. Registration takes place here on the registration website at gsusteamcamp.jumbula.com. Here you can find information about the camp and the times and dates for each camp session. If we scroll down, we will find the session schedule. You can click on the links here in blue to view more information about each of the individual sessions. But if you are ready to register, then you can click on Express Register in green under the registration column. So I'm selecting session 3. Here you would select the tuition option, so I'm clicking on regular. And you would see the total for your session. Then you would click continue. Next you will fill out the registration forms. Make sure that you fill out the required fields, which are marked by a red asterisk, before you click continue. From here you can complete checkout or add additional sessions by clicking on Select Camp Sessions or by clicking on Registration. Both will take you back to the registration homepage. So I'm going to click on Select Camp Sessions to add an additional camp session. I'm again going to scroll down to see the session schedule. And this time I'm going to select a STEAM Camp Plus session. And then I will click on Express Register. Here I will select the tuition option as STEAM Camp Plus. Then I will click Continue. Since I've already registered a participant, that participant will show up there so that the registration forms will be partially filled out. So I'm going to click on my participant again. Here again I would make sure that I filled out all of the required fields, which are denoted by the red asterisks, before I click continue. From the checkout page, I can again add additional camp sessions by either clicking Select Camp Sessions or by clicking on Registration above. But if I'm ready to check out, then I can enter my payment method and select Place Order. This concludes the registration tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.